Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if your caps lock key is stuck. So there's going to be a couple different things I'm going to go over in this tutorial, and hopefully the methods I show will work for you. So the first thing I'd actually would suggest would be if you have a caps lock key on your keyboard, which most keyboards do, probably will be on the left side of your keyboard. So caps lock. Just want to tap it one more time and then start typing again to see if it's resolved the issue. So if it's like this, and then I click on the caps lock key one more time, you see now it is in lowercase letters. So that's the idea that I'm going for with that. Now if that did not resolve the issue, there is one further thing I want to show you guys for this tutorial. Okay, so you want to open up the start menu, type in language, and best match should come back a region and language settings. You want to left click on that. Now on the right side you want to go and scroll down until you get to the area that says advanced keyboard settings underneath related settings. So left click on that. Now you want to scroll down on here, or you don't even want to scroll down, you just want to go and left click on language bar options. So left click on that. So now you want to left click on the advanced key settings. So if you want to change what will turn off the cap lock, you might want to click on the shift key. So left click on the shift key right here. And then once you've done that, I would suggest clicking on OK, or applying OK. And then try to click on the shift key again, see if then your issue has been resolved. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.